Matariki hunga, Matariki ahunga nui.
Matariki has many admirers. Matariki brings us together.
We have been learning a Matariki waiata.
Matariki is the Māori name for the cluster of stars also known as the Pleiades. And it rises in midwinter, and for many Māori it heralds the start of a new year.
Mātauranga Māori.
Ancestral knowledge and wisdom is the heart of celebrations of the Matariki public holiday, and it will be time for
Remembrance, honouring those we have lost since the last rising of Matariki.
Celebrating the present, gathering together to give thanks for what we have.
Looking to the future, looking forward to the promise of a new year.
Historically, the stars of Matariki were also tied to planting, harvesting, and hunting. If the stars appeared clear and bright, it signified a good season ahead.
He te hau horoia e te ua whitiria e te rā mahea ake ngā Raru Makere ana mahere Erere Mahea ake ngā raru Makere ana mahere Makere ana mahere
At home, you can celebrate Matariki with your whānau.
Take some time to remember loved ones who are no longer with you.
Give thanks for the year that has passed.
Enjoy your Matariki feast together.
Plan for the next year.
Spend some time with family and friends.
Write down your wishes for the year.
Plan to grow a garden.
Ka kite!